You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? English pronunciation, how to pronounce in English. British English and American English pronunciations are slightly different. The pronunciation in the UK, mutiny. Mew, not moo, mutiny. Stress on the first syllable, mutiny. The American English pronunciation is similar but with a flap T, mutiny. And quite commonly the T is pronounced a bit like a D, and then a schwa sound, mutiny, mutiny. Mutiny, American English, or mutiny in British English. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.